What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new 11-inch iPad Pro. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing for the brand new iPad Pro models. So over here in the United Kingdom, you'll find that this iPad Pro comes with 256GB of storage, and that'll set you back £999. Conversely, if you are in the United States, it will set you back $999. However, if you are one of the few people that need up to 2TB of storage, an additional CPU core, or up to 16GB of unified memory, then you can of course purchase that model. That model being the 2TB model, which starts off at £1,999 or dollars. This iPad Pro is available in either one of two colours, that being silver or space black. But there's enough talking about the pricing. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this new iPad Pro. So in typical Apple fashion, there are some pull tabs on the rear. Now pulling away at these and lifting away the lid reveals the iPad Pro in typical Apple fashion. So if we place this to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included with this device. The first item you'll find is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. And within this you'll find a range of documents. The first of these is your quick start guide, which comes in a number of different languages. As it's clear, Apple are making one specific SKU and sending it all across Europe. So if you are based in the UK, you'll find the same iPad model is being sold and shipped in France, Germany, Spain, and pretty much all across the EU. But as I mentioned, you get your quick start guide, which gives you a general overview of the layout of the buttons, along with where the port is, along with how to of course quickly set up this iPad Pro. It's then followed up by some health and safety, regulatory and warranty information, which once again comes in a range of different languages. Under all that paperwork, you'll find your 1 meter USB-C to USB-C charge and sync cable. Now this cable is braided and comes color matched to the color of the iPad Pro which you select. And as you've probably guessed, I have elected to go for the space black iPad Pro. And then we have the iPad Pro. So be sure to subscribe, as I will be uploading a number of different videos testing and comparing this iPad's performance to the previous models, along with to the brand new iPad Airs. If you'd like to see which videos I'm currently working on, then be sure to go and follow me over on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.